The difference between the letter S and the letter Z in English. Okay, let's begin. The letter S is a continuous stream. Good. And the letter Z has a vibration. Zzz. The placement is the same. Zzz. Zzz. You try. Good. Okay, let's practice. Sat. Zat. Sat. Zat. Good. Set. Set. Zet. Zet. Sit. 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 Zit. 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 Sot. Sot. Zot. Zot. Sut. Sut. Zut. Zut. Okay, I'm going to say A or B and try to guess which one. Zat. Zat. Which one? A or B? Zat. Good. B. Zat. Okay, number 2. Set. Set. Which one? A or B? Set. A. Good job. Number 3. Sit. 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 A. It's A. Number 4. Zot. 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 B. Good job. Sut. Number 5. Sut. 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 A. Good. Let's practice some words. Sad. 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 Zap. 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 Set. 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 Zen. 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 Good. Sing. 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 Zing. 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 Sorry. 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 And zebra. 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 Good job. Just remember the S, and the Z. Excellent. Good job.